Dual shower heads. Brushed nickel body plus gray face shower heads with handheld spray, fixed shower head with 2 spray settings. No shower arm included in the packaging. Easy tool-free connection. No need to call a plumber, installs in minutes with just 3 hand tighten connections. Fits any standard shower arm. Durable and flexible 5 feet stainless steel shower hose in beautiful brushed nickel finishing, anti-twist conical nut connecting with the handheld shower head. Heat-resistant solid full-body ABS construction which comes with solid ABS mount with brass ball joint. Rain shower heads combo is packaged in strong box, perfect as a gift to friends. Package includes 1 rain shower head, 1 handheld shower, 1 60 inches stainless steel shower hose, 1 Teflon thread seal tape. Please note washers are pre-assembled. Angle adjustable, 1.8 GPM water flow. Wall mounted, easy to install. 60 inches stainless steel hand shower hose. Available in multiple finishes to match any bath decor. Top reviews from the United States. Absolutely love this. This was easy to install, white tape was included with the packaging which was nice. Although the shower head is all plastic, it looks great and easy to use. I got the 2.5 gallon per minute which comes out nice and leaves your body feeling relaxed once you're done. The detachable is great which has 2 settings, shower or full-on spray, which feels nice on your muscles, especially if you run or work out, but gentle enough if you want to give your dogs a bath. Highly recommend it.